How to purchase and cancel a Spotify premium subscription. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can purchase and cancel the Spotify premium subscription. So if you want to purchase or cancel our Spotify premium subscription, the process is fairly simple. Here's the process how you can do that both. First of all, if you want to purchase the Spotify premium subscription, you have to use the Spotify app. Open the Spotify app on your mobile device, and once you are on your home screen, you have to tap on the premium option. So, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen to get the premium. After you have tapped on the premium, here you can see that you can go for the try free 1 month. Once you are here, you can also choose your premium plan too. Scroll down and go for the available plan here. So here you can see that. After choosing that plan here, you have to enter your payment detail like credit or PayPal, Visa card or MasterCard. After that, go for the continue with your Spotify. And after that, you have to complete your purchase. After the payment, you still have the access to Spotify premium feature. So you have to choose your platform and go for the complete purchase here. After that, you will successfully purchase the Spotify premium subscription. So if you want to cancel the Spotify premium through your Spotify app, you have to just go back here. So open up your Spotify app, tap on the home at the bottom. Once you are here, you have to just go for your profile, which is on the top right corner of the top left corner of this screen, and go for the setting and privacy. Once you are here, you have to look for the option of subscription. So if you have premium account, then you will see the option of subscription. Then you can follow the step and you can easily cancel the subscription. You have to tap on the subscription and tap to cancel the subscription and follow the on-screen instruction to confirm. So this is the way how you can easily purchase and cancel the Spotify premium on your Spotify. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.